Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to take the door cards off Honda Civic EF. Let's get right into it. So first I'm going to show you where all the screws are, and then I'll go about taking them off and show you how that's done. So basically what you're going to have to do is take this piece off. You've got a screw there, a screw there, you've got a screw in there, there's a screw here. Then underneath you're going to have to take this screw off, and then this bar is going to come out and let the seat belt go out, and there's a screw back here as well. And then once you've done that, you're going to have to pop this piece up so that you can pass the seat belt through that gap there to get it out. So I'm going to go and undo all these now, and then I'm going to show you how to pull the door card off. Also, don't forget, if you have the manual window winders, you're going to have to pull that off from here as well. I don't have it, so I can't show you that, but you have to take them off too. And now what you need to do is pull on the outsides to unpop the pop bits that hold it in, and then get the seat belt out of the way. And now there's a screw in here, there's a screw in there that you have to undo. Out like that, then you can pass the seat belt through, and now the door card should just lift out. And that's it. So that's it. That's how you take a door card off a Honda Civic EF. Should be the same for the CRX. There's one thing to note when just putting it back is make sure that this trim is properly aligned into the channel. So as you push it down, it goes into the groove, and make sure that this handle here is properly popped in as well. So you're going to have to align those as you do it. Same thing with this here. Put the seat belt back so that it can actually go in, and then you'll be able to align it correctly. So that's basically it. Hope that was helpful. Catch you guys next time.